This is a fitting guide for the DonJoy Everest II knee support. Measure the circumference of the thigh 15 cm above the centre of the kneecap. Before use, detach the cold pack from the knee cuff and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Once the cold pack is cold and frozen, attach it to the knee cuff using the hook and loop. Warning: be sure to place a barrier or cloth between your skin and the cold pack. The temperature of the cold pack must not be lower than 5 degrees centigrade. Place the knee cuff around the knee with the patella opening centered on the kneecap. Secure the knee cuff by attaching the two straps using the hook and loop closures. Unscrew the pump on the knee sleeve to facilitate placement of the splint. Position the patient's leg on the brace with the knee centered between the two bilateral hinges. Close the anti-slip strap on the calf using the hook and loop closure. Secure the brace by closing the thigh cuff and cuff calf using the hook and loop closures. Adjust the 4 straps to the required length and close using the buckle and clip closure. Tighten the brace according to the level of compression required. Screw the pump onto the knee cuff and set the valve to on. Inflate the air cell to the desired level of compression. Warning: do not inflate and tighten the knee cuff excessively. Ensure the level of compression is not too tight so as not to restrict blood or fluid flow. Once the desired compression level has been reached, turn the valve to off and detach the pump. Apply the knee cuff to the injured area for the time recommended by a healthcare professional. Do not exceed 20 to 30 minutes of application. Alternate with adequate rest periods. If the straps are too long, remove the small hook and loop strips, cut the strap to the desired length and reposition them. To adjust flexion or extension, open the cap of each hinge, position the flexion and extension stops at the desired angle, and close the hinge cap. To avoid damaging the hinges, the flexion and extension stops must be positioned at the same angle on both hinges.